submitted, my name is Susan Walker. I'm a Rhode Island resident here representing myself as a citizen. I submitted written testimony with some scats copied from the Census Bureau faithfully, so you have those. And I'm just going to summarize. Also, for half a second, I thought Sister Mary Pendergast wasn't going to show up tonight, so I invited her to sign my letter, but she's so that's why she's also signed here. It occurs to me that everyone here is speaking English. And while I was listening to all the English testimony, I started Googling what you would want to do if you spoke a different language, if you could get a translator. And you can get a tour of the State House with a translator. But I don't know what the policy is for actually testifying with a translator. So if it's there...
I will tell you that the committee we've had witnesses with translators.
Okay. I'm a pretty competent person, and I couldn't figure out how to do that. And I think so. There might be an accessibility issue. So I would encourage you, if you haven't already, to reach out to your constituents who might not have English as their first language and check in with them about this bill. Okay, we're all immigrants, right? If there were deportation laws in the 15th, 16th, and 17th century, probably none of us would be here. And then I also wanted to share that my brother has faced felony charges, and we're American-born citizens. The economic threshold of, one paycheck away from whatever. And that just facing the charges has shaken my family up so terribly. My mother's pulling money out of thin air. And just to think about someone with even less resources, what they have to go through. And my brother's kids are suffering, and his wife is suffering. And there are 54,000 children of immigrants in Rhode Island. So laws that impact even bad apples criminally really affect the whole family. It's a ripple effect that is really amazing. It's a huge flaw in our legal system, the way a criminal charge, not even a conviction, can just destroy a whole network. And lastly, there were a couple recent, surprised nobody brought this up, but Rhode Island can face costly legislation if these bills become laws, because they're getting fought their further legal battles. In Miami-Dade, in the beginning of the month, the judge ruled some ICE-friendly legislation as unconstitutional. And in Chicago in October, or in Illinois in October, a judge ruled similar, I don't know if it's similar, but it was considered to be cooperating with ICE sort of kind of legislation. They ruled that unconstitutional too. So enacting this kind of legislation could put Rhode Island at risk for expensive and costly court battles. And that's all I have.